This man over here's just got an infinite treadmill over here, you know, just chilling like. Alright, we got one coming in.
I was just like, no. I literally said I was fine. Wait, I'm already right by yourself. That's weird. You're weird. Wait, you want to go by yourself? Girl.
Alright, we're going.
Yes, let's go, gang. Oh, what the here, girl? We made a friend. What's your name?
William.
I'm Alexa. Seatbelt. I'm so scared.
Like 5 seconds.
Oh!
Hold up.
I don't know how to do this. You're doing it the wrong way.
We got it. This one? Alright.
I totally lied. You didn't have 5 seconds. It was fun though. I like it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm okay with flying.
That's actually.
Guys, I'm so scared. If this did, why did I do this?
It's okay, either way.
This is Abby, that's Alexa.
Are y'all cool with being on YouTube?
Oh!
Hey!
What's your YouTube channel?
Coasterland. I do a lot of amusement park videos. Yeah.
Alright, when I get home.
This is why we talk to strangers.
That's exactly why.
We talk to strangers.
Yeah.
We're famous on YouTube now.
I'm so fucking scared.
Oh no. We're all gonna get wet, guys.
Whose idea was this? Abby!
I should have not done that. Y'all should set up with that. Whatever.
Oh god.
This is embarrassing if I'm on YouTube.
No! This is so embarrassing.
It's okay.
It's a quiet contest. I'm gonna be quiet.
Oh lord.
So where you from, William?
South Carolina.
Oh, I'm vacationing there in like 2.
Let me guess, Myrtle Beach.
Yeah!
Same. I live there.
Oh my god, we should meet and have dinner.
You should.
Wow, you move fast. I'm sorry, it had to be said. It had to be said. It really did.
I think y'all should do it.
Oh my god.
You can show her really nicely.
Oh my god. Oh god. No.
William, go wet. No.
Oh no, Niall.
Watch me be the only one too.
Oh my god, it got quicker.
I'm gonna
Oh my god.
myself.
That's against my religion.
Hey, no.
Oh god. Why me? It's only me.
Gotta get the content for YouTube.
I've had better ideas.
Waterfall. Oh my god.
Oh god, sorry. My bad.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, not the waterfall.
Oh my god.
Waterfall.
Oh look, a boat jam. There's a boat jam.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot. What the hell?
We got a boat jam. This happens sometimes.
So William, how old are you?
I'm 17, about to be 18.
William.
He's 17, almost 18.
That's Alice, Leah, Caitlin, Avery.
He's a YouTuber.
Oh! Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious?
What the hell, boy?
Bro,
But now we're in front of them.
I ain't gonna count. I did not see that one
We're
coming.
gonna get sprayed again. We're gonna get
Yo, I
sprayed
swear,
again.
get sprayed again, I'm gonna cry.
And you guys are complaining. Are you?
Let me jump
Yeah.
I have my waterproof eyeliner on today.
Emma!
Stop!
Please remain seated. They have cameras, you know. Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Kill yourself!
They got twice.
Go away, 3 times.
Oh my god. Here we go.
Wait.
Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna be them. It's gonna be them.
Oh my God, my shoes.
Do you like BTS?
Who's your choice bias? You would so proud right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
That felt good.
Someone.
So what are you interested in, William?
What?
What are your hobbies?
Riding roller coasters, amusement rides. I'm on a 24-day trip right now. Yeah.
That's actually cool.
Yeah, I'm just glad this is waterproof because my phone's in here, and that would have been,
Alexa, no.
that would be
Where did I put it?
bad.
I'm gonna stick my hand in your